This is my review of Spectrum's coconut oil. It's organic, there's no chemicals in it. It's refined. Refined coconut oil is made of copra, coconut meat that has been scraped out of ripe coconuts and dried for several days in the sun or in a kiln. The refining process strips away some nutrients and makes the coconut flavor much less pronounced. Refined coconut oil has a higher smoke point, 365 degrees, which makes it a better option for higher heat cooking and baking. While unrefined coconut oil is from fresh coconuts, the coconut flavor is much more pronounced and it has a lower smoke point, 280 degrees, so it's more appropriate for no cook or no bake recipes or light sauteing in dishes where the coconut flavor will enhance the recipe. This coconut oil is also expeller pressed. According to coconutoilfacts.org, the biggest difference between expeller pressed coconut oil and cold pressed coconut oil is that expeller pressed coconut oil is processed at higher temperatures. Cold pressed coconut oil is processed at temperatures that never exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit, while expeller pressed coconut oil is processed at temperatures that never exceed 210 degrees Fahrenheit. As expeller pressed coconut oil is processed at higher temperatures, it has less nutritional value. Between the two, cold pressed coconut oil is healthier than expeller pressed coconut oil is. However, expeller pressed coconut oil still retains more beneficial properties than refined coconut oil does and is a healthier choice. Like cold pressed coconut oil, expeller pressing is most often done with virgin and/or organic coconut oil and is considered to be a high-quality coconut oil. The coconut oil jar came smaller than I expected. It contains 414 grams of coconut oil, but Spectrum also sells a larger bottle. This coconut oil becomes solid at room temperature, but you can heat it up if you want. When using the oil, a little goes a long way, so the jar can last very long. It's antibacterial and antifungal, and because of its strong antibacterial properties, I use it to make my natural deodorant. It serves me as a great makeup remover. I just put some of the oil on a cotton ball and it can even get rid of stubborn waterproof mascara. This coconut oil barely smells like coconut and has a neutral taste. My skin absorbs the coconut oil well and it keeps my body moisturized when it's dry, especially during winter. It keeps my lips from being chapped. Since it barely smells like coconut, my hair doesn't get an odor. It's environmentally friendly. It comes in a glass bottle so I can reuse it when the oil finishes. I use this coconut oil as a hair mask once a week and it makes my hair softer and shiny. It's also a natural hair detangler. I also like using this coconut oil to cook. I don't even need to worry about my food having a strong coconut taste. I also put some in my smoothies and coffee and I use it to make popcorn. This product is really a must-have. It can be used for so many things. I use this oil for oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Indian folk remedy claimed to whiten your teeth, freshen your breath, and greatly improve your oral health. Oil pulling involves swishing oil around the mouth, using it like a mouthwash. In order to oil pull, you just put a tablespoon of oil in your mouth and then swish it around for like 15 to 20 minutes. And the main benefit of doing this is that it reduces the amount of harmful bacteria in the mouth. I recommend this oil to my family and friends and my viewers. And what I want to try next is an unrefined coconut oil. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer it. And also feel free to comment about your experience with this product or your concerns. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have many reviews coming soon. Have a wonderful day.